Hi everyone, and welcome back to my final morning report chart spreads on Monday the 16th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. Let's look at gold, and we've seen a slightly gain in gold price in the last sort of day or so. Interesting that we've seen a bit of a slight safe haven shift today, a bit of a risk-off appetite coming through the markets, and gold has benefited on the back of that, about $8 up on the day. We're now sort of beginning to pressurise this downtrend. We've had this sort of sequence of lower highs in the past sort of couple of weeks, and that downtrend is now being tested. We've seen a move already above last week's reaction high 1280.60 in the early moves today, 1283.20. That sort of takes you above that sort of 1282 sort of 50 mark that we had as the resistance level, that old resistance that we're now sort of looking to break out. It really is testing that level. It hasn't yet sort of really confirmed a move back above that. I think if that were to be seen, that would be a positive, certainly. But 1287.60 is another resistance, which is this the resistance reaction high from this bear candle that we saw on Monday last week, and then 1295.70. So a couple of levels for you to work with. But you look on these momentum indicators; they really are sort of, I think, still in medium-term bullish configuration and beginning to turn up again. You've got the RSI, which nicely has found support, formerly around 45. It's now sort of moving to look to find support around the 50 level. Stochastics also looking to turn up. MACD line is already positive, but again, you're not massively bullish because you're not the lower high that you've got on those MACD lines. You could argue, is that a bearish divergence? Well, I wouldn't necessarily sort of put too much of a label on that yet. I think it'll be interesting, but I think that just reflects more that we've got potential for gains, but not super gains on the upside in the medium term. Here's the hourly chart, and we've got the, as I said, the sequence of lower highs. You're testing that downtrend as we speak. Interesting that we're now seeing the RSI up at on the hourly chart up at 70 again. So if you can, if you see the RSI sort of pushing above 70, I think that would be coinciding with this downtrend being breached, and it looks to be it would look to be sort of more positive, and then you'd open that reaction high 1295.70 again. So we have got an improving chart on the gold again, but it needs to continue to work to improve to break this sequence of lower highs that we've got in the last couple of weeks. So improving picture, but nothing too confirmed quite yet. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.